Hi, welcome back to AI Data Explained. Today's topic, group by and aggregate functions. This is the concept that having from our last video actually depends on. Quick note, group by looks simple at first. Write one line, get a summary. But 3 small rules trip up almost every candidate, and none of them show up until something breaks. Group by takes rows that share the same value in a column and collapses them into one row per group. Pair it with an aggregate function. Count, sum, average, min, or max, and you get one summary number per group. For example, group by department with count star gives you the number of employees in each department. Rule 1, every column inside select must either be inside group by or wrapped inside an aggregate function. Miss this and most databases return an error. Rule 2, count star, count of a column, and count distinct are 3 different answers. Count star counts every row. Count of a column skips null values. Count distinct counts only unique non-null values. Mix these up and it's one of the most common mistakes in SQL interviews. Rule 3, leave out group by completely and your aggregate function runs across the entire table as one single group. And since having depends completely on group by, you can't use having by itself. One clause groups the rows. Aggregate functions summarize each group. Get the column rule and the count rule right, and this becomes one of the easiest questions in the interview. Thanks for watching. If this helped, subscribe. New SQL interview question every upload. Next, primary key versus foreign key versus unique key.